Most business applications today have gone digital. Every day, data are being generated from millions of the interconnected devices around the globe. The harnessing the data to provide the real-time decision-making and the business intelligence is far more critical than ever. Introducing Lenovo ThinkEdge Computing. It's a new computing paradigm where computing resources are placed at the edge or the periphery of the network. It reduces the lag, increasing the bandwidth, and accelerating time for true value.
The edge computing in this real case smart retail solution collects data from customer behavior via camera, inventory management to the point of sales. Data are harnessed through the edge computing, which led to real-time and action-led results for the retail management. Many applications, such as smart city, supporting traffic management, public safety, and surveillance. In manufacturing, it also provides real-time analytics, especially on robotics.
Lenovo ThinkEdge Computing has the advanced processing power, connectivity options, and the ruggedized design, allow the business to leverage the data to the full potential. To find out more, please contact Ingram Michael.